Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we are doing the Bible verse of the week from the Experiencing God book. If you are interested in this book, in this course, I do have a link below from Amazon where you can buy this book. I do recommend it. I really like it, but I just want to spread a little more of the word. Now, I do apologize that we missed a week. Last week, I was actually out of town. I was on the farm. I was out fixing fence multiple days in a row because the horse kept getting out and they were having the rest of the farm fertilized. So we were having to keep the horse in one spot and she did not like it. So we were out there fixing fence. I've got the bruises to prove it. So I do apologize that we missed that week, but I'm going to make up for it now. So we are on week 5, as I mentioned, and I'm going to read this verse to you. It's John 8:47. The one who is from God listens to God's words. This is why you don't listen, because you are not from God. I know it seems harsh and it makes you stop and think, but sometimes you have to hear the hard words. So yeah, there's another translation that says the one who belongs to God listens to God's words. This is why you don't listen, because you do not belong, or you're not from God. I make notes when I find stuff like that so that I can, see the different translations and, what does everybody use? I think I'm using the Christian Standard Bible right now, but I still like the King James. This one doesn't do the King James. They say, it's more easy to remember, more in the words that we use now without the thou's and shouts and things like that. But yeah, that is our verse for this week. I'm going to read it again. The one who is from God listens to God's words. This is why you don't listen, because you are not from God. John 8:47. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.